Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and we're going into the hood today. Doesn't have to be a long video, but Robinhood, you can see where they jumped out trading back in 2021 and immediately stole from the poor and gave to the rich. Since all the all the investors who weren't locked up ditched the stock right here and leaves everybody basically trading on their Robinhood platform on their stupid phone, buying the stock all the way down. Okay, that was then, this is now, and I was just doing gratuitous bitching. But what I see here is this is a classic Wyckoff chart analysis where we've got a steep mark down here, sideways consolidation or accumulation for about a year and a half. And now we're getting this markup phase here. And so, I'm liking the way this stock's trading. I like it a lot. I bought a slug of it today. And I will just say that I'm I'm as bullish on this stock as I've ever been on this stock. But I like this kind of pattern. I'm just deleting while I'm talking. I like this kind of pattern because it's very clear to me. And I'll take the clear patterns. I don't rely on them as foregone conclusions, but you can see this stock's printing an all-time high. Last time it's been up this high was back in 2021 when it was dumpster diving here. So I like this stock, and I think that really the trade could be, yeah, a fairly low risk trade if you're looking at the weekly chart, about 12 or 13%. But if you're looking at the daily chart, which is what I look at for our active trade ideas, I'm looking at a risk of maybe 8% on this. I like the way this is trading. I think you can buy the stock even tomorrow as long as it holds up here, but you might get an intraday move lower. We did see that today. It quickly reversed, which is why it's typically not a great thing to be exiting positions first thing in the morning, unless you're taking great profits. Then that's the only time you want to do it. But as I see this is 2 days in a row when this thing really, really jumped up on volume, price. It's basically flat on the day, but after the kind of move it had yesterday above 25, I think the stock goes higher. Okay, that's all I got for you, members. Strategy session tonight. I'm talking about a lot of things relative to trading that are not relative to a specific stock. So just remember, I'm giving you pearls. All right, see you guys next time.